Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. We are from Group 24. We'll be presenting our project assignment. Puan Jannah is a successful woman entrepreneur that has founded very private tuition center. Initially, she recorded all transactions and information of students and teachers in physical book. As customers keep coming, the data become bigger and more difficult to manage. Currently, the center has been growing. She hesitated to invest in this application because it's high cost and she does not know if it's really meet the organizational requirement needed. Moreover, it may require a very skillful staff to handle the software, and the process of managing her business information is very strict. When opening the Microsoft Access Miss Jannah Private Tuition Center Business Information System, the manual system form opens by default. Then we can click the button to create, such as the fee record button to open the fee record form. After that, to explain the opening function of each button in system menu from AINA, based on questions 1, Puan Jannah need to create a form to record all the student data. First, click Student Data Table and name the field as follow in Design View. Then, we can click Datasheet View to populate the data in the created Student Data Table. The result form for recording and retrieving data is shown, where we can use the previous navigation button to see the previous student record, the new button to add a new record button, and delete button to delete the student record.
For question 2, this part explains the process of creating a form to efficiently record student fees and generate fee receipts. So the form includes essential components such as a drop-down menu to select the student's name, a subform to list fee items, and a student package list. Additionally, a fee receipt button is provided to preview the receipt. By clicking this button, we can review the receipt details and decide whether to print or simply view for confirmation. This feature streamlines fee management by making the process more faster and more accurate. It reduces potential errors when handling student payments.
Next is expense based on question 3. To create a form, we create a table of expense category and expense in the create table. Then we do field name and data type for each table in the design view like this. Then we go to data sheet view to list all category expense like this, and for the expense table, it will be filled after the data in the expense form it filled. After we create all the necessary table and relationship, we can create the expense record form and it will come out like this. In this form, we can see that it has expense ID and expense category that we can choose a date and amount. It also has previous record, next record, and add record button to record based on the list expense category. We also add expense category form to add other new expense category if necessary.
On question 4, we want to generate a report that displays the total income by package for Puan Jannah Private Tuition Center. To achieve this, a query must be created by selecting the necessary fields from the package list and fee icons table. After building the query, clicking the Run button will generate the results, showing the total income categorized by package, as demonstrated in the presentation slide. This report provides a clear financial summary, making it easier for the tuition center to track and manage its revenue. The system also allows navigation between previous and next records using relation queries, which is ensuring to smooth data handling.
On question 5, it was to create a report that shows total income by school name. To use the table school name list with price for Mrs. Jannah Private Tuition Center Business, we need to create a query with a select student, fee and fee items table. Then click the Run button to see the result, and it will show the amount of total income by school name as shown in the picture. So this is the report of total income by school name made based on the previous script on relation query.
For question 6, it requires a report that shows the total expenses by expenses category, which is the largest at the top. In query expenses by category 7 to 9, drag expense ID 7 to 9 from expenses category to expense ID in expense 7 to 9. Then click Run to see the result of the query as shown. In the design view section of the total expenses by category 7 to 9 report, click Write the amount to sort descending to show at the largest amount at the top.
So here is a business report form to see a recent fee, total income by package name, total income by school name, and expenses by category in this box. We can click a button to view a report and open the fee expenses form. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Nurain NATASHA Binti Mohammad RAUZI, and my number entry is A23B1373. So I will continue for the last question. For the question number 7, a simple profit and loss statement should be created that display total income and spending on each month. Next, the first thing we do is construct an income statement table with the following field names and data types. Then, we proceed to the datasheet view to fill in the list of month names, the amount in the income data field for salary, and the amount of cost at random that based on the expenses table. We do total subtraction according to the design inquiry, thus no data submitted for gross profit and also net profit. So in this query design, we choose the income statement table and double click each month income, salary and cost. For the gross profit calculation, the field space is set to income minus salary, while net profit equals to income minus salary minus cost. So here is the outcome of query along with the gross and net profit amounts. Next, setting and edits are completed to generate the profit and loss income report that correspond to generate profit and loss inquiry. So here is a simple profit and loss dashboard for the current year. Inside there is a label for the form title, a profit and loss, a list box query, a list box total, and a report preview function button for the profit and loss report from the previous slide.
For the conclusion, this system provides an effective solution to overcome the challenge of maintaining physical record, enabling better accuracy and ease of access for information management. Microsoft Access, with its user-friendly tool, allows system to be developed quickly and at the lower cost. This hands-on experience has prepared us to address similar challenge in the future, leveraging technology to create efficient solutions in the evolving business landscape. Thank you.